So you are a complete beginner and you want to learn how to create AI videos for free in just few minutes. No worries, I got you. In this video, I will show you two techniques on how to do it, and it's completely free process. You need no sophisticated hardware, you don't need to download anything, it's purely online tools. So let's get to it. To begin, we need some kind of image. It could be basically anything, maybe a photo you've taken with your phone. I'm gonna start with generating something with ChatGPT because it gives me full control over the final product. I will ask for something simple, like a cup of coffee, for example, so we can learn the basics with just one single object on the scene. When you work with AI, remember to always describe precisely what you have in mind. So instead of just asking for a cup of coffee, I'll say something like artistic image of coffee cup with cozy scenery. To keep it more interesting, let's give a cup some kind of logo, perhaps a green coffee bean. And for the background, I would like to use something cozy, like a library, maybe a coffee shop, something that would make the autumn a little bit nicer. Okay, and here's the first result. As you see, the picture is a bit stylized. It looks like it may have been painted or something like that. This is exactly the reason why I previously said that it's good to precisely describe what you need, because otherwise the AI's vision of your object may actually differ from your idea. So I'm actually gonna copy my request, paste it again, and add a little magic sentence, which is make the image ultra photorealistic. And that way, in a minute, we should get, yes, precisely something like that. This works perfectly fine, looks decent, looks cozy. We have a nice lighting on the cup, on the mug actually, and the green logo makes it a little bit more interesting. Perfect, we'll stick with it. So I'm gonna download the image, and now I'm gonna use AI tool which is called Pixverse. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. You can use any type of AI tools like Kling AI or Sora AI. I just use Pixverse because they refresh free credits every day. So basically you get to generate something every single day for free. That's actually perfect for us. We don't need to pay for anything. We can just work with what we have. So, it may ask you to register with your email, just go through with it. There are no additional costs or fees. From the home page, I'm gonna go to this little workshop here, click on video, and now I'm going to search for the picture that I've downloaded from ChatGPT. You can adjust some details, like choose between 5 seconds video or 8 seconds video, or choose the resolution. Of course, the better outcomes are available with higher plans, with paid subscription, but the results with free tools are absolutely enough for me, so let's stick with it. So here is the result. As you can see, there's a lot of happening here. The camera moves slightly, the hot steam rising from the mug adds this additional charm. One thing that doesn't quite convince me are the plants rising straight from the cup. It looks like a bug, like some kind of error. Okay, let's try again. I'm not gonna change anything in my description. I'm just gonna click on retry, and then AI will just try again with different approach. Maybe it just looks better. If not, then I can try to change the description, maybe make it a little bit more precise, but let's see how it goes this time. Okay, the description is the same, but the result is much better. First of all, we don't get the plants rising straight up from the porcelain, from the cup. We got them spreading nicely from behind and growing to the sides. I like the motion, it's very nice. Also, there's another detail that wasn't there in the first try, I think. If you look closely, when the coffee is overflowing from the mug, it actually leaves a stain of hot coffee on its side. It's a nice detail, it makes the video a little bit more interesting, there's a bit more going on, and yeah, basically, there you go. And now I can just click on download, and that's it. Basically, we have just created an image, and Now you could use it with your business, maybe use your own logo on it, maybe change the coffee to anything relevant to you. But basically you can just make the awesome results in 5 minutes for free. So yeah, that's that. So now we push it even further with editing a video instead of simple image. We will use this short video as an example, and let's say I want to freeze this glass of Coke with just my finger. So the Pixverse doesn't work with video format, you can only use it for images, so we will have to adapt a little. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play my video and stop it exactly at the point that I want some AI effects to kick in. In this case, it will be just this frame. Let's say it's gonna be around here. This is where I want the frost to appear on the glass. And now I'm gonna take a screenshot to save the image we're looking at. Now I'm going back to Pixverse, actually. And again, I'm gonna upload the image I've just saved. And now it's time for our prompt. In terms of visual effects, you can ask for whatever you like. Lightnings, flames, maybe you want to morph the object into something completely different. That's all fine. But what you need to keep in mind is that we're going to use the original video and then merge it with whatever AI produces for us. So we are aiming for a result that will match seamlessly with our original material. So I'll start my prompt with the camera sits perfectly still, picture is static. If you don't include this part, your AI video is probably gonna differ a lot from your original video. And by that I mean the camera will move or tilt, maybe zoom in, zoom out, stuff like that. And it's gonna be really hard to combine it with our material. Once we have that settled, I'm gonna describe what I want the final product to be, like the liquid beginning to freeze rapidly, something about the glass being covered in frost, maybe add some frost to the desk as well, and of course the outcome is supposed to be ultra photorealistic. So the process looks the same. I generate something, if I like it, perfect, if not I can retry, maybe edit the prompt a little bit. What I personally recommend is after you get the outcome you want to stay with, go to upscale and sacrifice 30 credits to upscale this video. And as a result, in a minute I will get a video with significantly improved quality. This way you don't have to spend real money to get higher resolution. You can actually sacrifice the credits that are refreshed every day and still achieve good results. The next step is all about combining the original material with the AI results into one video. And you can do it in any editing software. I'm gonna use DaVinci Resolve because it's free. I will simply import both videos. This is the exact frame of original video which I used to create the AI edit. And now I'm gonna paste the results exactly here. So if you do it just right, you will end up with this nice edit where half of the video is just your original take, and then it seamlessly turns into an AI edit. And just like that, you can enhance any kind of video with AI edits while spending absolutely no money along the way. You can use it to advertise your business or to fix your social media or basically with anything you want. So if you have any kind of questions or maybe you want to see something particular in the future on this channel, let me know in the comments. It always makes my day to get your ideas. So yeah, thank you for your time and see you in the next video.